Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with Microquant here. It is Thursday, March 13th, and today we're going to be taking a look at the S&P and more specifically what's going on with the stock indices and where I believe they could be going and should be going. We're just getting started, in my opinion. We had a nice sell-off today. S&P was at a high at one point all the way up at 1875, and the low so far is 1845. So you're down about 30 points from the high to the low. Now what we're looking at is potentially seeing the S&P roll over on a weekly basis and start moving down. And if this does happen, if it does roll over on this weekly and start moving lower, I'll show you where I think it should be going to, which is down to the lower end of this weekly channel here, being right about 1750. So about 100 points more if you're looking at the March contract, about 100 points more if you're looking at the June contract, which we just rolled over today. That's about 90 points more. So quite a ways more to go. I think we're just getting started, but this is a good sign. So what we want to watch for, as you can see here, we've been saying this indices should be topping out here, at least short term, based on the bearish divergence on the weekly charts, where we have lower highs on our momentum, even though we had higher prices on the chart. Now it has started to come down. We've been saying, all right, it's not valid until it breaks the previous weekly low. But the other thing that we can be looking at is the fact that momentum is actually rolling back to the downside. That's a good sign. So what we want to see happen is momentum's close lower this week than it was last week. So that's going to happen unless we reverse and go up to new highs today and tomorrow, which I don't expect that to happen. Once that does happen, that means next week we're looking for the indices to continue to come down all the way down, as I said before, to test this trend line down around 1750. Now, if we can break through that trend line, we have support down at 1725 that we need to get to. That's pretty significant support. Once we're through there, we're looking at it coming all the way down to around 1630. So potentially a long way to go. We'll take it step by step as it comes down, breaking through support. We'll be analyzing it every day in the trading room. But as of right now, we're going back to our bearish outlook based on the bearish divergence on the weeklies. I want to see it close lower momentum this week. And then we're going to have confirmed weekly bearish divergence. So that's all I have for you for today. I hope it helps. And until next time, don't forget to click to subscribe, and happy trading.